Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage social media with Hootsuite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing your social media with Hootsuite, first, create a Hootsuite account if you haven't already. Visit Hootsuite's website and click on sign up. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. Once your account is set up, log in to the dashboard. Next, connect your social media accounts. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage Social Networks. Choose the social media platforms you wish to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter. Follow the instructions provided to authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts. With your accounts connected, navigate to the Streams section on the left side of the dashboard. Here, you can create custom streams for each social media account. For each platform, add streams like your feed, mentions, and scheduled posts to monitor activity in real time. Now, let's compose your first post. Click on the New Post button at the top of the dashboard. Select the social media account you want to publish to. Type your message in the text box and add any images or links you want to include. You can also schedule your post by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting a date and time. Once you're satisfied with your post, click on Schedule or Post Now if you prefer to publish immediately. To keep track of your posts, go to the Publishers section on the left side. Here, you can view your scheduled content and make any necessary adjustments. To analyze your performance, head to the Analytics section. Choose the social media account you want to view data for, and review metrics like engagement, reach, and clicks. Utilize these insights to refine your social media strategy. If you ever need help, you can access Hootsuite's extensive help center by clicking the question mark icon. With these steps, you're now equipped to manage your social media efficiently using Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.